Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tipalitinintao, and today I will be teaching you guys how to solve or find the derivative of a hyperbolic function. So let us look at the problem. Find the derivative of f of x is equals to the hyperbolic of cosine a raised to 9x squared. So first we have to find the formula of the hyperbolic, which is the derivative of derivative of hyperbolic cosine u is equals to sin the hyperbolic of sin u times the derivative of u. So the next thing we should do is find the problem. So find the u. So what is u here? The u here is this, the x raised to e raised to 9x squared. So as you can see here, this is a exponential rule. So we should find the derivative of u. So by applying the exponential rule, we will get So the derivative of u is equals to 18. So the derivative of u is equals to 18x e raised to 9x squared. So since we find the derivative of u, we should substitute our problem to the formula. So f of x is equals to sin h times e raised to 9x squared times the derivative of u, which is 18x e raised to 18x e raised to 9x squared. And now that we have substituted the problem to the formula, we shall solve it. So the final answer should be this should be the final answer. So the derivative of f of x is equals to the hyperbolic cosine times e raised to 9x squared is equals to 18x e raised to 9x squared hyperbolic of sin times e raised to 9x squared. I hope you, and that is all. I hope you guys learned something from my video, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. That is all. Goodbye.